Want to learn how to delete your Holla account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to delete your account, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. You will get into settings option. After getting into setting option, tap on about Holla above logout. Tap on delete account below community. Tap on delete my account if you're sure you want to. And if you want to permanently delete it, make sure to not get logged in until 30 days and your account will be deleted permanently. Tap on delete my account with this red background. You can choose your reason for deleting your Holla account. I am randomly going to choose one, and then when you're done, tap on I want to delete option above cancel. So you can see that you need to type delete in the box to delete your Holla account. Tap on this box and enter here on capital letters delete. When you're done doing it, tap on I want to delete on the bottom above cancel. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully deleted your Holla account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.